The HP Pro X2 612G2, a tablet that's downright clunky compared to today's Windows 10, $149 at Amazon.com, 2-in-1s. In fact, the G2, announced in Barcelona at Mobile World Congress, has more in common with the Microsoft Surface Pro 4, $669.99 at Amazon.com, than the G1. Instead of the original's pull-apart design, with teeth that slot into the tablet's side making it look like a thick clamshell laptop, the Pro X2 612G2 is a fanless, slim 12-inch Full HD tablet with a fold-out kickstand and a magnetically attached keyboard cover. It's essentially the company's HP Elite X2, but tuned up with the latest 7th-generation Intel processors, tougher construction and better security. Available now at a starting price of $979, roughly £785 or $1,275, it's built for business use, right down to its keyboard, which features shortcut keys for starting presentations and making video conference calls. Instead of the Elite X2 keyboard's cloth back, HP went with something that could be easily wiped down for dusty environments or medical use, and the tablet is designed to pass MIL ST800E10G tests. Other features include processors up to Intel Core i7-7Y75, 8GB of memory, up to 512GB of storage, integrated Intel HD graphics 615, dual-band wireless 802.11 AC with optional WWAN, USB 3.1 Type-C, docking, charging and data transfer, and USB 3.0 ports, microSD card slot and headphone microphone combo jack. HP will also offer several accessories, including an active Wacom pen for drawing and writing on the screen, USB-C docks for power and peripherals, mobile scanning and a rugged case for extreme work environments.